friend of yours, what is his name? Slim. Want to start your own business.
Mense van Elders. Like skinder.
Listen here.
Wat rij je? Stom niet zijn boeintjes hier, man.
How much money are you talking about?
20k?
20K. As you mal in your koppen. It took us a whole year to put that money together, man.
Bra, all the races are in on it. Goldfingers gave me his word, bra. You must solid.
I can't me, bruh. Gold fingers. You don't know. You don't know. Don't know. Yay! What's gold fingers?
I don't know who.
Jij, man, hey, man, wat je nou net samen geweest dat man 3 minutes ago.
I go on skin on me. So basically what happened was he paid us 500 then for him to look cool. And he said he was just trying to impress his clients.
Clients. Like ons, so jullie zo'n clients. In de schimmers.
Bruh, you can see that thing is a fake, bruh. From his jewelry to the shiny suit.
Je moest kon. Next time als ik kom terug, maak hem dood. Ik zie jou. Zie jou, dood.
Man, it's long gone, huh? We never getting our money back.
Bra, man. Zie me.
Owens, man. Die man is dood. What? This man is dead, bruh.
What you mean is dead?
Like your cousin one night, he ain't never coming back. Man.
I can't trust those people. Stand back. I can't. I can't trust you. You killed the guy, man. You killed the guy, man.